Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 70, and in this video I'm going to show you how to track sleep and connect data to Garmin Connect app. Okay, of course, to track your sleep you need to wear the watch while you sleep. And also, you can add the glances for that to track the sleep. To do it, slide to the downside from the main watch face, then keep scrolling down. And in here we have the sleep coach and the sleep score. If you don't have this automatically, click on edit, and then from the list you just gotta find it. You'll be able to add it. Click on add, and then from the list find the sleep things. Then click on done, and in here, as you can see, we have the sleep coach and the sleep score. If you tap on that, you'll see the data, but currently there is no sleep recorded last night because simply I didn't wear the watch. But if you do, you'll have all the informations right in here. Same thing with the sleep coach. Okay, now to sync the data with the Garmin Connect, you just gotta hold the upper left button, and then in here you'll have the sync option. It's this icon, and from what I can see, I think that I have disconnected with my Garmin Connect. Weird thing. Give me a second. Okay, now it's working. Click on sync. Now the data will be transferred, and you also can track the sleep and all the informations in the app itself. Get your phone, and then click on your watch, Forerunner 70, go to not the health and wellness. I need to check where was that. Maybe in the glances. Yeah. No, not in here. I just gotta make sure where was that. That section. My bad. Click on more, and then here go to health, stats, sleep, and in here you also see the whole data, and you're able to track everything. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.